Baby, it's cold outside. For many Americans, that means buying North Face, the storied outdoor mountain gear company. For people like me, it usually means buying the stock of North Face's parent company, VF Corp. Not this year, though. Thanks to a vicious cyber attack, you can order North Face directly from the website. They have no idea if those orders can be fulfilled. Their website says there's still time to find the perfect gift. But then it says if you need that gift by the 24th, you better go to the store. The scariest thing about this hack and many of the others we've heard about ever since the SEC said companies have to disclose them within 4 days of finding out is that they're not over. They haven't found the cause of the problem. What a blow to VF Corp's new CEO, Bracken Darrell, to have this happen at the absolute worst time of the year. Of course, hardly a day goes by without seeing some sort of data breach, although most of them aren't this severe, with the exception of Clorox, which was just as bad. I believe Nikesh Arora, the CEO of Palo Alto Networks, when he states the companies need AI to stop the bad guys, because with most of these hacks, there's something different, some sort of anomalous behavior or a key that will surface immediately. AI can spot it. Humans might not notice. I mention this today because the cybersecurity stocks caught one more upgrade. The cadence usually goes like this. Palo Alto catches an upgrade. Then we get one for competitor CrowdStrike. And then we get one for Zscaler, the application performance monitoring play. And then we get another recommendation for Palo Alto because the stock's going up a lot and the analysts need to boost their price targets to play catch up. And then CrowdStrike gets one and then Zscaler gets hyped again. This can only happen because the cyber criminals are becoming more sophisticated and more powerful to the point where you can keep raising numbers and price targets. If you're running a business that might get targeted, you can only hope that hackers work like the car thieves at a mall parking lot. If possible, they try to avoid anything with 4 doors locked. These are the Palo Alto networks. And instead go for the easy targets like somebody left open. Those would be the companies with no meaningful cybersecurity protection. I thought that's where it ends, but now I feel I was being naive. I now realize that the bad guys are working on building composites about you. They can find out so much about any individual online, which allows them to impersonate you to their coworkers, to anybody, to break into employers' networks. Just think about all the form letters you get in the mail about how you've been hacked. I know I had a bunch. You usually just throw them away. But wait a second. Remember the bad guys who were trying to figure out my password? My dog's mother's maiden name? NVIDIA. Nikesh Arora from Palo Alto and George Curtis, the CEO of CrowdStrike, make me feel like their clients know they need to pay up to get the best protection. I wish every business thought that way. I know it's possible that there's no way VF Corp would have known it had a problem, the same way Clorox didn't know. But I do think generative AI can help. If you have the most data in your system of any cybersecurity company like Palo Alto does, you know what a normal model looks like and what's an anomaly. That's how they can spot the anomalies quickly before they turn into a VF Corp or Clorox-style digital sabotage situation. There are 2 imperatives that make the spend mandatory: the SEC disclosure risk and the actual earnings risk that both Clorox and VF Corp have suffered. It's no longer okay to get mediocre cybersecurity. It's too risky, as the people who run VF Corp are just finding out. I don't know about safe, but in this racket, it sure beats sorry. I like to say there's always a bull market somewhere, and I'll probably try to find it just for you right here on Mad Money. I'm Jim Cramer. See you tomorrow. Last call starts now.